Imagine building a skyscraper without a blueprint. That's what developing software without SDLC is like. Welcome to the world of software development lifecycle, or SDLC, where every step is meticulously planned. SDLC is a structured process used to design, develop, and test high-quality software. The ultimate goal? Delivering software that meets user requirements, is maintainable, and cost-effective. But what exactly is SDLC? It's a methodology that defines the entire software development process step by step. From planning to maintenance, SDLC ensures each stage performs its task efficiently. Let's dive into the 6 crucial stages of SDLC. Stage 1, Planning and Requirement Analysis. This is where it all begins. Developers gather inputs from customers and market surveys to form the project's foundation. Stage 2, Defining Requirements. Here, all the software requirements are specified and approved. This stage uses the Software Requirement Specification (SRS) document as a blueprint. Stage 3, Designing Architecture. Multiple designs are created and evaluated. The best design is chosen based on practicality and logic. Stage 4, Developing the Product. This is where coding begins. Developers use programming languages like C++, Python, and Java to bring the design to life. Stage 5, Product Testing and Integration. Testing ensures the software meets quality standards. Any flaws are tracked, fixed, and retested to ensure smooth execution. Stage 6, Deployment and Maintenance. The final product is released and tested in a real environment. Feedback is gathered, and improvements are made to enhance the product further. But SDLC isn't just about these stages. There are various models to choose from. The waterfall model is the simplest, but it's not flexible. The agile model adapts quickly to changing requirements. The iterative model develops the software in cycles, adding features with each iteration. The spiral model focuses on risk management with multiple loops. The V-shaped model integrates testing at every development phase. The Big Bang model is informal and unstructured, often used for small projects. Choosing the right SDLC model depends on project requirements, size, and complexity. For high-risk projects, the spiral model is ideal. For quick releases, Agile is the way to go. SDLC also addresses security through DevSecOps, integrating security throughout the development process. Real-life example, developing a banking application using SDLC ensures every feature is meticulously planned and tested. In conclusion, SDLC is crucial for structured and optimized software development. Ready to take your software development skills to the next level? Enroll in our complete guide to software testing and automation today.